Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Sewing Basket here on this lovely Tuesday morning. This is the start of week 3 of our anniversary celebration, and we're going to be doing kind of a bed turning like we did a few weeks ago with shop samples, only these are going to be finished samples. Toppers, runners primarily, a few other things. They are all $20 a piece. Each one has a number. I'll say the number as I hold it up. They will be here in the store. You can come in and get them. First come, first serve. You can call the shop, 920-892-4751, and charge them by phone if you would like. So, number 1 is a topper using the Effervescence bright bubble fabric. And I'm not going to tell you size on every one of these. I want to tell you it's a table topper or a runner. Number 2 is the Christmas trees in navy blue and gold. Number 3 is one of our Quilt As You Go runners. This is little birds and snowmen. That's number 3. Number 4, same runner pattern, our Quilt As You Go runner in tan and green batiks. Number 5 is our little gnomes, or tomtins I guess they're called, in navy blue, sweet Christmas runner. That was number 5. Number 6 is a tree skirt. It is a round tree skirt with a slit here, and all kind of fun kids prints, penguins, reindeer, all different things. And that again was number 6. Number 7 is a little larger runner. This is the Jason Yenter fabric from the Dianthus line in shades of brown and autumn colors. Number 8 is our cute tree topper runner. Number 8, bright trees in reds and greens. Number 9, brown metallics, Christmas trees. Number 9. Number 10 is one of our doppelganger runners. This actually coordinates with the navy tree that I showed you a minute or two ago. This is number 10. Number 11 is a wall hanging done with real cute decorative stitches, great size for end of a hallway or on a door. Number 11. Also remember this is recorded so you can back up and rewind to see what the numbers are. This is number 12, our zigzag runner in greens and blacks, has some butterflies on it and leaves, a little bit of gold metallic. Number 13, this is I think the only one that's unfinished, just needs a binding. Really cute snowman with a mailbox and a cardinal. Needs a binding. It is completely free motion quilted and a real sweet, again, door hanger. Number 14, blues and browns Christmas gift tree runner. Has some ornaments on it. Number 15, a little narrower runner and has berries, snowman and a deer on one end and another snowman and deer on that end. So a sweet little runner, a little bit smaller than some of the others. This one is Christmas stars, red and green metallics, and it is number 16. Next one is bright and funky, kind of a lime green, number 17, Santas in real bright sweet colors. This is from the Saturday morning runner pattern. Number 18 is a set of placemats. These all have little birds in them and bird fabric on the back. There's a set of 4 and they are number 18. So that's 4 placemats. Next one is kind of a bright modern autumn runner. It is number 19 in purples, golds, greens. And this is our mix 6 runner with a border. Number 20 is the twister topper in green and gold. Number 20, that is. Number 21, cardinals and birds in our Saturday morning, our doppelganger runner. This one is probably the biggest one here today, number 22, and it's a baby size quilt. This is 100 fossil ferns, kind of arranged from light to dark. Again, everything you're seeing here is finished unless I say otherwise. There's only one or two unfinished, and they are $20. This one is our zigzag runner in purples and teals. This is a long one. And that one is number 23. Next one is a border print runner, the 60-degree runners with lemons. Number 24. Number 25. Navy. Kind of a limey olivey green, and I'm not sure, kind of citron maybe is that other color. Number 25. Number 26 is a fall topper. This one is about 25 or 6 inches across and quilted with decorative stitching, and it is number 26. Number 27 is from butterfly wing fabric, and it is from the Triangle Tricks pattern book quite a while ago in purple, red, and that butterfly print. Number 20, that was number 27, excuse me. Number 28 is navy blue, light blue, and cream, a pieced runner, and this has the little flaps in it that actually open, and you can put like a Yankee candle, glass candle jar in those spots. So that's a candle holder runner. If it lays flat, you don't see that, you can just lay it flat as well. And that is number 28. Again, everything you're seeing, $20 a piece, finished and ready to go. Great for charity projects, great for giveaways, or if you just like it for yourself. This is a real neutral, gold and silver, real pretty. Again, number 29. Number 30, same runner in bright, kind of red, white, and blue. Little bit more raspberry than a true red, but a fun modern runner. Number 31, St. Patrick's Day version of that runner. Number 32, the runner with pieced options. All of these are from our doppelganger runner pattern. There are 3 different runners on that pattern. You can have pieced blocks, solid blocks, and the corner setting triangles, or squares, excuse me, change on that. And that one is number 32. Number 33 is, again, a little more modern runner in greens and kind of a artist brush look in grays, blues, kind of a mauve color. And again, this is a bit bigger runner. This one is about 20 inches wide, and that is number 33. Couple things that aren't runners. Little bowling bag purse, cute for carrying your supplies and things to class. Number 34 is the bowling bag the bowling bag purse. And the next one is our coffee tote. This is number 35. Nice pockets here, zipper across the top so your goodies don't fall out. And then inside there are a couple pockets in there as well on the inside. And that coffee bag is number 35. Number 36 is a cute little over-the-shoulder bag. This is a nice size. It will hold an iPad and has some pockets on the back in K-facet fabric in kind of a light blue. Number 36. And number 37, is one of the wireframe totes. This has the wireframe in here that's velcroed in. You can take the frame out for washing, pineapples, and pockets. And that is number 37. So that's what's here for today. These will be up all week or until they're gone. Again, $20 for anything that I showed you. We do have some smaller projects as well, some pillowcases and a few other things that will be priced lower and will be available here in the shop. So we hope to see you during our anniversary celebration, and thanks for watching. Bye now.